How to change the Snapchat notification sound on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can change the Snapchat notification sound on the Realme device. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. Now scroll down a bit and then tap on notifications. Here tap on app settings. Tap on this drop down and tap on all apps. Now under all apps you have to find Snapchat. Then tap on Snapchat. Make sure you have turned on the toggle for notifications in your mobile device. After that you have to choose the category that you want to modify. That may be your chats, your group chats, your friends or other messaging. So once you are there, all you have to do is tap on the categories that you want to change your sounds on. Scroll down a bit and then again tap on sound. Now from this drop down you can choose your preferred sound. You can listen to one or single one of this and then you have to choose your preferred sound and then you can click on or tap on OK. And that's how you can change sound on the Snapchat notifications in your Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.